Good evening. This is Peter Simmons. I'm responding to a TV segment I just saw on the Chris Hayes show on MSNBC about the Trump Network and customized vitamins. I was a leader in the Trump Network, got to be what we called a diamond director in the company, and sold the products and built a national organization of 300 people working with a medical doctor and a Harvard scientist who worked with vitamins. And I was disturbed by the inaccuracy in the report that talked about the vitamins and the testing based on a urine sample being scam science, because that's not true. For the author of this report to find out the actual truth behind the supplements, they should contact Metametrics Clinical Laboratory that was producing the test, and it was based on biomarkers based on metabolic functional testing. And I personally met with a Harvard scientist who validated the excellent properties of the test. So I wanted to set the record straight. The business model, network marketing, is also a good model. It's been handled poorly by many companies, and many great companies handle it well. So I felt the article had some real serious flaws, and I wanted to set the record straight from the inside. So I'd recommend that Chris Hayes and the author of the article at the Daily Beast contact Metametrics Clinical Laboratory and ask about the metabolic functional testing that was done for the Trump Network, and they will find out that it was excellent and did everything it was promised to do. Of course, in the network marketing field, there are people who make mistakes. There are companies who do very poorly, and there are companies that go out of business. There are also some great companies who do very well. So I wanted to set the record straight on that. So thanks very much. Peter Simmons. You can find me at peterjsimmons.com. Thanks.